Welcome to Grenfell Road. I'm here to show you a stunning 4-bedroom townhouse on the edge of Maidenhead town centre. Now before I take you inside, let's show you how close we are to the town. As you walk down Grenfell Road, you'll come to Grenfell Park, which has its own cafe, play area and sports court. Just on from there is the start of Maidenhead town centre, which is currently being regenerated. And then off to the right hand side you've got Maidenhead train station with direct links into London Paddington, out to Abbey Wood with the new Crossrail line.